Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a part 2 of the Trim-A-Slab. Continue to replacing all my sealer expansion joint into Trim-A-Slab. So you see previous time I did here. So today I'm going to do this to take it out and this one. And this is the material I use, which is 3/4 tapered edge. So again, I'm going to do the same thing, peeling off the existing sealer. Unfortunately, this one inside has like the cardboard paper out in here, if you look closely. Oh, this is a cardboard paper. Luckily, this is like wet one, so it's easy to take out. That's one time it's dry. It took me forever to take them out. So I already picked out all the existing expansion sealer, as well as here. It does take me some time because inside, remember, there's a little cardboard in it and then it's wet. And this one, originally I have the gray color. I thought about it. I decided to change it as well to black to look prettier. And then we'll get started. Now I'm working on the second gap. So you see how this cut right here? I'm gonna take this two plastic and leave this one out so it looks like it's like one straight without making any cut. Okay, so you see here, I make a cut, so I'm gonna take this two out so I can close the gap. I can make a cross here without like cutting the whole line. That looks prettier. So we'll get started. So when I get to this gap, I'm doing the same thing and I make a cut the first two plastic. So I already cut the gap here. I'm gonna trim it out the plastic now. So I'm gonna finish off. So that is this. I also did this Trim-A-Slab on this sections. This sections, and when you walk down, and at the front, which use up all the 3/4 thickness of paper Trim-A-Slab. It looks a lot prettier. It's all black color matching. And stay tuned for part 3, which I'm gonna do on the side of the house. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.